Hey friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Ports and Ships. So today's ship news is COSCO England collides with another ship at Port Kelang. COSCO England, a Neopanamax container ship owned by COSCO Shipping Lines, collided with another vessel while berthing at port in Malaysia. The incident occurred at Port Kelang on April 21, 2019, according to the statement issued by Westports Malaysia. As informed, the Hong Kong-flagged COSCO England and another, yet unnamed, vessel collided while approaching the wharves of Westports through the South Channel. Both vessels were subsequently safely secured at our berths to commence their operations, and at the same time, the relevant authorities also commenced their investigation into the incident. Westports said on April 22. As of now, both vessels are presently conducting relevant surveys and repairs at our berth, and it is anticipated that we will be losing 600 meters of water space due to this for next 7 days. In separate update, OOCL said that there were no casualties or OOCL container damage as a result of the incident involving the 13,386 TEU COSCO England. Westports added that it expects some berthing delays in the next week. However, the incident has not impacted channel and port operations. We continue to facilitate the requirements of both vessels to ensure safe sailing from here to the next destination. Westport continues.